Hello friends, today in our video we are going to look at the steps involved to schedule design change in Magento 2. Promoting offers and products during any special events or season or celebrations is an inevitable activity for store owners running their e-commerce store. Magento provides great flexibility to change the design of the entire website for a specific time period, and once the event or season is done, the design would change back automatically. This kind of features are not available in paid platforms like Shopify or BigCommerce, etc. So let us look at the steps for changing the design and scheduling it. So from the Magento admin panel, navigate to Content, and under the design we have the schedule option. Click on the Add Design Change button, where you can choose for which store you want to schedule the design change from this drop down. If you have multiple stores, you can choose which store you want to schedule the design change, and then you can also specify which theme you want to apply from this field. So for that particular period of time, the new theme will be applied, and once the due date is completed, then the design will change back to previous theme automatically. So you can also specify the from date and the to date. So in this case, the new design theme will be applied from June 7th to June 30th, and click on the Save button. So this new theme will be applied, which means the new design will be applied to the entire website from June 7th to June 30th. So that's all about scheduling design change. Thanks for watching. Do post your comments if you have any question. Thank you.